Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This feature is perfect for those times when you want to mute calls, messages, and app notifications. Let's get started. First, launch the Settings app by tapping on the gear icon from the Home or Apps screen. Next, tap on Notifications. In the next menu, tap on Do Not Disturb. To enable the feature, simply toggle to turn the Do Not Disturb switch on. Calls, messages, and app notifications are now muted. You can also set your preferred schedule for your phone to automatically switch to Do Not Disturb mode. Simply tap the option to add schedule, then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to set your preferred days and time. Don't forget to tap Save to after making necessary changes. You can also turn Do Not Disturb on or off straight from the Quick Settings or Notification panel. To do so, swipe your fingers down from the top of the screen to launch the panel, then toggle the DND crescent moon icon to turn the feature on or off. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This feature is a great way to maintain your peace and quiet when you need it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.